Right, in this demo I'm going to be modelling tenons for woodworking. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put some rectangles on here to represent the edge-on view of the timber we're using. Make sure the snap the grid on, makes things nice and easy. So up here I'm going to choose the rectangle or press R, and I'm going to make rectangles 12 by 40. And we might as well make them all at once while we're in sketch mode. Right, so just 4 millis above that. We'll go to 40 by 12 again. Another one. 40 by 12. Finally 40 by 12. Now I'm going to press the P key for pull. Select them all by holding Control and clicking on them. We're in the pull tool over there. So turn them around a bit. We've got an arrow poking out here. So I'm going to left click and drag in the opposite direction of the arrow, because I want to make it go that way. Now 32.2 millimeters there, I'm going to make it something that I will make it 1000. Right, so that's a bit tiny. Now I'm going to select, we'll say select tool over there, select the end, one of them, press the V key and zoom in with the mouse. And we'll start with that one, and we're going to put another rectangle on here. 3 millimeters in, there up to there. This is going to represent the actual tenon. Now I'm going to use plain circle up here in the sketch panel, and we know this is 6 millimeters, and the circle's therefore 3 millimeters radius. So we'll start here for the center. Make sure you've got snap to grid on, and then we'll put a circle there. And at this time we might as well use this other circle, the 3-point circle. This time we start on the outer edge. We'll find the middle of the line, which is highlighted for us conveniently. Click on it and drag along to that point, double click, and it's touching the 3 sides. So we now select the trim away tool, and we can trim out bits we don't need. Using these 2 methods, we have to trim stuff away. Now we can press the P tool again and turn it. And we can select what we've just drawn. Okay, now we can simply type in a length, say 25, return. Oops, shouldn't have done that. And then we have a great lot with someone there. Now we can pull this out 25 by typing 25 and return. And that's our first tenon. Right, now that's two methods. Select that, V key, bring it towards us. Select now tangent arc. No. Select now rectangle, put another rectangle in, and select tangent arc. And we find 3 millimeters along here. And the opposite 3 millimeters, and click. So that's third method. Fourth method is a 3-point arc. So over on this side, we can click on there, then opposite here. And now we can move along till we get to the end point there and click. And the trim away tool. This time we've only got the corners to trim away, there's no vertical line in the middle or half a circle to trim away, so it's a bit less effort. And once again, P key, select 25, return. And we've got a tenon. Select this, V, rectangle, now that's 4 methods we've used. The fifth one is sweep arc, this one here. And with this one, we've got to find the center of the arc first, which is here. Move to one of the outer edges, click, and then pull round to that point there. And then create a rounded corner. Go to here, 3 millimeters in from the right to the left. Click. And go around to the center, click and around to the center. And with this method, there's no trimming to do, which increases the workflow. Trim, so that's 6 methods to draw that. So again, pull tool, select it, type 25, and we've got a tenon with a rounded edge. Now incidentally, once you've got that, you can select this face and move it. And if you move it 25 millimeters, if you set it off going in a certain direction and type a value, it'll continue in that direction for the value you've typed in. Now we've made it 25 millimeters long, so if I type 50, it actually makes a mortise 25 millimeters deep. Oh, that's easy, isn't it? However, I'll just back out of that. Finally, we'll do the last one here. And we need the rectangle again. and we're not going to make any curves on this one. 25. What we are going to do on this one, with the pull tool activated, we select the corner, control select this other corner. Now you must make sure that you've got the rounded chamfer on here, and then type 3, which is the radius, and the same here, 3, and I think that's the simplest way of putting around. So there you are, there's a demo of how to make tenons with 3 different, well, 7, there's 2 on each of those and 1 for this one, so that's 7 ways of making a tenon for your woodworking. Hope you enjoyed that and hope you find it useful. Bye.